This video explains how to delete wire transfer payees in your Chase account. Deleting payees is crucial for security, preventing unauthorized transfers or accidental payments to old recipients. This is especially important as wire fraud becomes more sophisticated. We'll cover both the Chase mobile app and the Chase online web portal. First, log into your Chase account on chase.com. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section in the main menu. Then select Wire Transfers from the available transfer options. Select Manage Payees to access your list of saved wire transfer recipients. Find the payee you want to delete from the list and click the Delete button next to their name. You'll need to confirm the deletion using multi-factor authentication, such as entering a PIN or a code sent to your phone. Remember, once the payee is deleted, the action is irreversible, and you'll need to re-enter their details for future transfers. Open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines. Select Pay and Transfer from the menu. Then select Wire Transfers. Finally, select Manage Payees. Choose the payee you wish to remove and tap Delete. You'll be prompted for multi-factor authentication to verify the deletion. The app offers a streamlined process for managing your payees on the go. Chase requires multi-factor authentication for all payee deletions. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring only you can remove recipients. Always ensure your contact information, such as phone number and email, is up to date with Chase to receive MFA codes promptly. Treat these codes like keys. Never share them with anyone to maintain security. After deleting a wire transfer payee from your Chase account, several important changes occur that affect how you manage future transfers. Once deleted, all the payee's information, including their name, bank account details, routing numbers, and any other stored data, is permanently removed from your Chase profile. If you need to send money to this payee again in the future, you'll have to manually re-enter all their banking information from scratch, including account numbers and routing details. Chase's system does not allow bulk deletion of multiple payees at once. Each payee must be selected and deleted individually, which helps prevent accidental mass removals but requires more time for account cleanup. This guide image shows the Chase app interface for managing payees, including the deletion process that leads to these permanent changes. These app screenshots demonstrate the mobile interface where payee deletions occur, showing how the changes affect your transfer options moving forward. In 2024, a Chase user in California fell victim to a sophisticated phishing scam where fraudsters tricked them into adding a fake payee to their wire transfer list. Recognizing the suspicious activity, the user immediately deleted the fraudulent payee using the Chase mobile app. This quick action prevented a potential $50,000 wire transfer loss. In 2025, a business owner implemented a routine practice of deleting outdated international payees from their Chase account after business contracts concluded. This proactive management ensured compliance with OFAC sanctions regulations and prevented any accidental wire transfers to entities that might be on restricted lists. These examples illustrate how timely payee deletions can protect against significant financial losses and regulatory violations. Proactive management of wire transfer payees is a critical component of personal and business financial security. Financial security experts recommend regularly auditing your payee list and deleting any unused recipients to significantly reduce wire transfer fraud risks. Conduct monthly audits of your payee list or delete payees after 12 months of inactivity. This helps identify outdated recipients, such as former business partners or international vendors, preventing compliance issues and potential fraud. Delete unused payees immediately after they're no longer needed. According to the FBI, 40% of wire fraud cases involve manipulated payees, and routine deletions could reduce your personal risk by up to 30%. Always double-check payee details including name, bank information, and account numbers before initiating any wire transfer. This simple step prevents both accidental errors and potential fraud attempts. Utilize multi-factor authentication for all payee changes and consider using the web interface for complex deletions, as 60% of users prefer it for better visibility compared to mobile apps. According to the FBI's 2025 Internet Crime Report, wire fraud losses totaled $3.4 billion, with 40% involving manipulated payees. Routine deletions could reduce this risk by up to 30%. Security experts emphasize that deleting unused payees is a simple yet powerful step in personal cybersecurity. Looking ahead, Chase is developing innovative technologies to revolutionize payee management. AI assistants are planned to proactively suggest deleting payees that have been inactive for periods like 12 months, helping users maintain cleaner and more secure accounts. These AI systems will analyze your transfer history and flag unused payees, reducing the risk of fraud by keeping your payee list current and relevant. Additionally, blockchain technology is being explored for payee verification. This would create an immutable record of payee details, making it nearly impossible for fraudsters to alter or spoof recipient information during transfers. Together, these innovations aim to significantly enhance security by automating routine tasks and providing cryptographic protection. However, as data privacy becomes increasingly important, users may encounter additional opt-in processes and controls over how their payee data is managed.